Good day everyone. How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there. And welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to translate the English video into the another language. So here we will use the DreamFace app. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well, guys, the first step you can do is access this DreamFace first. And here I am accessing it with my PC to get more spacious view. But if you would like to access it with your smartphone, it is pretty okay because you can install it with your Android or the iOS phone. And also don't forget to do the login first with your email. And for the user, don't worry because they will give you 2 credits and it will be renewed every single week. And this is the look of the dream face after doing the sign up or the logged in. And the next step is you can start to scroll down here into the create category, and after that you can continue to click AI translator. So if you would like to translate the video, so you need to prepare the video from your device, and you can also translate it into the several languages. But it seems like that this DreamFace for this now only provides you the several languages, for example the Spanish, and also this is Chinese, English, Japanese, and also the French, Korean, and Portuguese. Which one do you prefer? And after that, you can start to decide which the language on the original video. For example, I will choose the English video from my gallery like this, and you can start to select it. And for example, I will choose this video. You can click this and kindly wait until it is uploaded into this section. And as you can see that this video translator will consume 1 credit from yours, and since I have 1 credit left, so it will be enough to create or generate this video. And after that you can continue to click translate here and kindly wait for the process, and also make sure that your connection is good, guys. And don't worry because I have prepared for you the video that I have, or the translation or translated video from English, and I choose to change it into Spanish. And for example, the output would be like this. And you can simply play it.
Prepárate para el próximo desafío. Sé fuerte.
So this is the output, guys, and if you would like to download it, then you can simply click download. And if you don't want this watermark, so you need to upgrade it into the pro version. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to try this DreamFace into your device, and please let us know if this app can be also work for you. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.